Hey guys, my name is Sean and I'm here to help you navigate the genealogical resources we have here at the Irish Cultural Center. At the Irish Cultural Center, we have a whole floor dedicated to helping people use and discover their past through the uses of our genealogical resources. For many people, it's their first time attempting this, and that's okay. I'm here to help explain how to get started. A couple side notes. To use our databases that we have, you must be on site for it to work, and you don't actually have to be Irish to use about half of these resources. So if you're just interested in starting some genealogical research, still come on down. So to get started, we'll start here on the home page, and you'll want to go to the online resources in the Genealogy Center under Research. Here, it'll take you to a page that links to all 10 of our databases that we use and subscribe to. You'll want to scroll down, and you'll be able to find and click any of these 10 sites. This includes Ancestry, which many of you may be familiar with, Find My Past, Fold 3, if anybody has served in the military, and a handful of others to help. Now, if you are a beginner, which is okay, we actually have guide videos to help with each one of these sites. So you want to go back up to Research, go to Genealogy again, go to Forms and Guides. Here, it'll take you to a page right here where it provides our online video tutorials for each individual database. So right here, we'll load up. So we've uploaded videos onto YouTube on how to use each database individually. So how to use Ancestry.com, how to use Family Search, how to use Roots Island, so on and so forth. So if you're interested in using any of these sites but don't quite know how, just go to our research guide, Genealogy, Forms and Guides, in order to take you to our online video resources. Now, if you're interested in learning through the usage of physical books, we also include a collection of genealogical resources through books. So you'll go here, Genealogy, Forms and Guides again. It'll take you a minute. Some of our books we're actually able to catalog through the counties in Ireland. So you click here, Books by County. It'll take you to a new page. So if you're familiar with where your family is from, a map will pull up, and if you know the county, you're able to click it. So say we want to go to the resources available from county down. We'll click down. Right here, it'll load, and then it'll show you each book that we have in our collection that is available and utilizes this individual county. Now, it's okay if you don't know where your family's from or you haven't reached that point yet. We also have a regular catalog that kind of helps just with general searches. So you go back up to Research, Library Search, right here, and this will be more of our general library catalog. So you go to Public Access, and then right here it'll give you a search parameter to help find any books you're looking for. So say you want to find a surname, a book on your surname, so you just type in surnames, click enter, and let's see, 46 results come back, which isn't too bad. Let's see, so right off the bat, a guide to Irish surnames, specific county surnames, origins, and so forth. And then you're able to adjust fields over here, if you know a title to a book you want to use, the author, subject, publisher, so on and so forth. We also include this. So there are many resources we have here available at the Irish Cultural Center. And if you're still lost, don't worry, we have plenty of staff that'll be able to help you, guide you along the path. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a good day.